First time ever racing at a strip, yeah. This is my first time at Woodburn Drag Strip at all. I haven't even come to watch. Never done drag races, never watched drag races, didn't think that I'd enjoy it, didn't think that I'd like it. I still didn't it wasn't until after the car left the start line. Once the car left the start line and it was just screaming down, oh my gosh.
Today we experience with Thomas his first drag race with the guidance of our friends at JR's Garage. As Thomas tries to calm his nerves, Jaime looks over his car to make sure he's good to go, and so that Thomas can feel confident as he eagerly awaits his race. While Thomas and Jaime wait in the staging lanes, I was able to snag a quick interview with Ruben from JR's Garage.
Well, hello, my name is Ruben Trejo, and I run the bookkeeping, all the admin stuff, payroll, basically the HR department and the public relations, professional relations department. We go anywhere from basic maintenance to extended maintenance. So that goes from the small ones to repairs, all the way to performance builds. We actually have this particular vehicle here that it's now pushing anywhere between 500 horsepower. We have another vehicle back there that is now doing about 900 horsepower. We do power builds. We also have anything like this one. This is just the basic build with about 350 horsepower. So we got anywhere between those that want to go really fast, those that want to look good doing it, and those that just want to go from A to B, and that's about it. But yeah, we basically focus on customer service, trying to listen to what the customer wants. Still a small business, but we're just trying to continue to provide excellent customer service and good builds.
You know, the closer I get, the more the nerves go up.
Yeah.
Hey, at least I'll have nice sticky hands to hold the steering.
Yeah. Keep it straight.
Yep. That's the goal, no brake.
What's the rev limiter on this?
82.
82, okay. So yeah, maybe try to do your shifts like about 75, 82.
Okay.
Because by the time you want to do, if you're at 75, you're going to be like almost 8,000.
By the time I realize it, okay.
Because it's going to go quick.
Yeah. Especially that top end.
Yeah. And if you're going to do flat foot, just keep your foot on the gas and then just clutch.
Okay. Should I try a flat foot second to third?
I'm not sure the setup on the car, but you can try and see what it does.
No, I mean just for the accidental money shift from second to first.
Yeah.
Should I just flat foot first to second, normal shift second to third, flat foot third to fourth?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Give it
I'm
a
just
try and see what you feel comfortable. Yeah, once you come into the tree, try to go really slow, because if you pass, sometimes they'll kick you out. If you pass the line and then basically you pass the line, they'll kick you out sometimes.
Okay.
But I think there's in tunes, I think it's okay, you can back up again.
Okay.
If you do it.
Thank you. What was it?
11.6.
I made it. I messed up so bad.
Yeah, you can do it again.
Back over there?
Yeah.
I fucked that up so bad. (11.6) ran wonderfully.
Yeah, I saw it go. That was good.
I fucked it up so
Where
bad.
are you parked? I'll come pull a log.
Right next to you over here.
Okay, cool.
Holy shit. Yeah, he's like, what will it run? I was like, I don't know, I just chat GPT'd it. I think like 14s maybe. He's like, oh, okay, you'll be good. So.
Show the camera.
Yeah, how'd that feel?
Oh my gosh.
11.6. Jeez.
That felt crazy.
Raymond, put it on your house.
Yeah, that was insane. You get the jitters. You literally forget everything as soon as it hits green.
Yeah.
Being the first time that I've done this, oh my gosh.
Now you
That
want
was
pump
crazy.
up, huh?
Now I'm
ready to go
now I
again.
want to do more, yeah. Holy cow.
You can tell by Michael's reaction that something sparked as he was speeding down the track. But we weren't just there for racing. The Import Face-Off is the largest touring import race and show series in the nation. Businesses, car enthusiasts, and quarter-mile racers all gather here to celebrate the lifestyle.
Cause my mother told me as a child, boy, don't play around with fire, cause you might just end up getting burned. And I know the wicked never rest, so I always try my best. But there's some lessons hard for me to learn, like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from the bad girls. Yeah, the good ones just can't get me high, so I be falling all my life.
As I watched Thomas gear up for his second race, I realized how important for him it was to have the support of good friends. And when your friend also happens to be your mechanic, well, that might be a different level of comfort. It looks now like Thomas is hooked, and the world of racing gains another driver.
Be cautious.
You know we don't play, stay out the way. Check out this look on my face. I'll come save the day. Give me my cape. Look at I'm flying away. 5-star cream of the crop. Go and make spot. Go and put the cherry on top. This one can't be stopped. Giving them shock. It's really like that. Don't believe me, just watch. Watch, 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 watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Watch, 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 watch.
But I want to know, what was your first race like? And how were you feeling? Leave it in the comments.